Hello everyone, in this video I will show you our new product. You can see this is KinCony Pi5M16. It's a 16-channel MOSFET output board of Raspberry Pi CM5. And you can see this is appearance. And also support install on the DIN rail. I just install on the DIN rail. I just remove this screw because I want to open this box, show you what's inside. And let's look at the size. And you can see this is size. This is size. And also you can see. Okay. And so we can look at this interface, and you can see this is digital input. You can see that means digital input. And this is IS485 and IS232 and the PWM output, 2-channel PWM output. Just this green terminal. And this analog input, 2-channel for voltage and 2-channel for current. And this is a fan inside for the heatsink. And this is free GPIO, CM5 free GPIO all at here. So you can extend your device by this free GPIO of CM5. And this is digital output, just MOSFET output. 16 channel, every 8 channel will have a DC that connect with power. You can output DC 12 or 24 volt according to this DC voltage. And also this is 9 to 16 channel digital output. So this is removable socket, and this is the LED indicate, 16 channel output, the LED indicate for on and for off. Okay, let's open this box. I will show you what is inside. We can just remove this one, and this is plastic shoe, and you can see we can open this PCB board. And this is a button shoe. And this aluminum shoe, we can open it. And now you will see this is our PCB board. And also you can see this have a 1, 2, 3 PCB board. This is display SSD 1306 I2C display. Just this one, because this will use this cable connected together. I just remove this cable because I will show you what is inside. And this is small PCB board. And this one is CM5 core board. You can see that have HDMI, USB, SD card, and Ethernet, and USB-C, and this DIP switch for different settings. And this you can see this is also a removable socket. And this core board, just this one, and you can see. So this core board we have designed compact with the Raspberry Pi original development board. So you can see. So just this board, this two board is compatible. So you can use many software on this original Raspberry Pi board, also can run on our KinCony board because the I/O pin defined and some schematic is seen. So that will be easy to use for different application. And on this board, you can install CM5, such as you can see this one, and you can install this CM5 at here, just at here. And also you can see this is CM5 Lite version, no eMMC and no Wi-Fi. And also you can see this has a eMMC and this have a Wi-Fi version CM5. So different CM5 all will support install on the PCB board. Just with default version, if you buy from KinCony, we will install this CM5 Lite version. So that you can use the SD card and this M.2 disk, SSD disk. So you can see, if you don't want to use SD card, you can use this SSD disk. Just install it here, that will be fixed by this screw. Okay, this can install by yourself. And install this CM5, and also you can install this heatsink. The heatsink with the fan. You just fixed it here. So this cable have a fan interface. Just connect it here. This is the fan interface. Okay. So this is the board inside of this CM5 core board. And this one just a bottom board. And you can see before we have released KinCony Pi5M16, you can see this one, just this one, Pi5M16. So this one just a MOSFET version. This is relay version, relay 16-channel relay. And this one you can see that have a MOSFET inside of this bottom board. This is MOSFET inside, no relay inside. So that will be consist with 3 PCBs. You can see just 1, 2, 3. We can remove. So you can see this 3 PCB, 1, 2, 3, will consist with this Pi5 controller. So this one will not change. This will not change. Just KinCony have designed some different types of bottom board. This maybe have 16 channel and 8 channel and 32 channel. We will release soon. And just MOSFET also have this 16 channel and have 8 channel and 32 channel MOSFET version. So if maybe in future that Raspberry Pi have released CM6 or CM7, we can just redesign this PCB board. You can just replace this one, so you can update your CPU. Will be update your controller by update to CM5, CM6 or CM7, because this board is split. This have two different PCB board, so you can consist with a different PCB board for a new controller. Update the hardware soon. Okay, so this is KinCony Pi5M16 MOSFET Raspberry Pi CM4 board. If you have any questions, you can leave a message to us. Thanks for watching.